Another great system, well, great thing with this system is if we go on, I'll just turn this down. You see at the bottom there, if I click, Discovery Sport is already selected, there's already a tick next to it. So if I now go to the clapperboard and note there, and you've got source, select Bluetooth audio, turn it up here, it's showing that Red Hot Chili Peppers are playing, which is the tune on this on my iPhone. The system in here is really, really good. If you like music, it's absolutely fantastic. That's how you do it.